Hi, I'm going to show you the IMOD Multimeter function. Now we're going to take a closer look at the multimeter function of the IMOD. I know that my multimeter is on the first module slot, and in this case, if we look at the light over here, it is purple. I'm going to check the corresponding light over here. The control unit even says multimeter over here, so technically you don't need to look at the lights. When you click on that, you will see these 8 different options. Our first one is voltage, and our voltage of course supports AC and DC. Then the next one is my milliamps up to 500. Then the third one is 20 amps. Fourth one is ohms, which is resistance. Fifth one, we got our capacitance. Sixth, we got our diode tests. Seventh, continuity test. And finally, our frequency measurement. And of course, each one of these different options here have their graphical views to the right of the control unit.